So hi everyone, so I took a sabbatical on this video channel, okay, and then I did some research on TikTok. So this is how to make money on TikTok 2024, the latest updates, right? You may be wondering like, why am I doing this horizontal screen? Okay, this is a must right now. If you want to go viral, this is a must to do this. TikTok wants to be the next YouTube, the next Netflix, right? So I'm going to give you all the tips that I learned, okay, on how to grow yourself as a brand, how to make money on TikTok, right? So listen to this. No more dances and challenges to memes and viral trends video anymore. No more lip syncing, okay? That would not work, okay? Unless you have your own followers already, and you know that video will go viral if you have your own followers, right? So, and then do your videos horizontal, hence is why I'm doing this horizontal, okay? So, and next, right, if you want to grow more views, right, find out your clients' symptoms and help them to solve their problems, right? As I mentioned earlier, it's very crucial to know why you're doing this channel, right? And then who are you helping, right? And then who are you targeting at? Very important. And if you're selling products, right, go live for at least 3 hours. All right, I'm trying to go live for every 3 hours right now, almost every day if I can. And just want to let you know, your link TikTok shop videos, right, won't give you views anymore. Okay, we all know in Asia, especially for Singapore, right, because TikTok wanted advertising dollars, full stop, right? If you find that whatever you do, your views are not going anywhere, 200 views, 300 views, full stop, TikTok just want ads, all right, advertising dollars. So if you are in USA and TikTok still give you views, take advantage of it. All right, next, hashtags and captions are very important, right? Even your titles of the video is very important. So keywords are important. So if you are interested to know more, you can attend my classes, right? This intro classes, right, will teach you how to grow yourself as a brand, will teach you how to create contents, right? And it's only $39 right now, $39, okay? It's limited promotion only. So if you want, grab it, DM me, just DM me. I'm going to teach you how to DM me. You just have to go to my main page here, TikTok Queen Julia 5, okay, and then just message me will do, okay. Yes, so let's continue to do this. Next is if you are thinking of having a one-on-one coaching, right, I do that as well, okay. You can message me directly and I'll tell you more about my rates. All right, next, you need to do videos. Try to do videos, since we are not getting much affiliate commissions, right, from TikTok shop videos. I felt that, okay, to be frank, I felt that, you know, in Singapore we are being exploited in Singapore, okay, because we are not paid for creatives and we have to sell the products to get money, okay. So I'd rather you guys do videos and sell your own services and products instead to make more money, okay. Like maybe you sell ebook or e-guides, or maybe you have a course online that you are trying to promote, or maybe you have your own products, all right. And TikTok's, as I mentioned earlier, TikTok trying to be the next Netflix and YouTube. That's why hence the horizontal views, all right. And use ChatGPT to create contents for your business, guys. Okay, if you're very bad at it, right, attend my classes. It's only $39, okay, $39 only. There's nothing to lose, guys. And if you want a one-on-one, you know, coaching from me, I do that as well, okay. We can do online or we can meet up, okay. And remember this, you can't repost old good videos anymore that went viral in the past, you know, thinking that, oh, you may go viral again, you know. No more such good thing, all right. So they wanted new contents necessary, and they wanted to be the next some sort of like educational and entertainment platform kind of thing. So bear in mind, don't repost anymore, okay. So to find the latest trends, right, you can explore the discover page or for you page on the TikTok app. Just want to let you know, not much universal music videos, music anymore, okay. Just want to let you know. So that's why just use the royalty free music, guys. If not, then don't use music at all. That will be best, because then after that you can translate this video that you currently post at TikTok to repost at YouTube, because YouTube is also very cautious about copywriting music. Just want to let you know, because I have a YouTube channel as well. So if you're interested to, you know more about how to create yourself as a brand, you need to drop your email to me. Just message me directly, as I showed you earlier, and I will send you the latest trends on TikTok weekly, and you can actually DM me for more information about my coaching as well. If you like this latest 2024 TikTok updates, right, and follow me for more. I'll see you all soon in my next video. Bye.